tafadhali hapo. Ndio leo upendo ndio.
Thank you. Ulira irohero wega no moi no ni. Kwa ng'ombe na watu ila mundu no ni mwabatie handu kirema-ini. Ona moga ni kiangima ng'ang'ana ndio wita. Kwa hiyo mtikareke ng'ang'ana roho-ini. Ulira irohero wega. Asante sana Kajim kwa kunipea nafasi ya kusema jambo on behalf of the artist. Yule dada alituombea na vice chairman na wewe mlisema tusikue serious sana. Leo ni siku ya celebrate na mkasema hata speeches hazitakuwa mingi, na kwa hivyo nitachukua hiyo mwelekeo niseme kama artist tunashukuru sana kwa association yenu, for we have been working together throughout even before you started. Na vile mlianza tu mkatuita mkasema you want us to walk this journey together, and that is the reason that we are here, knowing very well that by the grace of God next year we shall continue to work together. And the Bible says in the book of Habakkuk chapter 3 that we write our vision with big numbers, such that a person who is running will see that you have a vision, and in the fullness of time it shall come to pass. Kwa hivyo hii association itasimama na tusoke tutoke ithuothe twi hamwe. Aria mara invest, aria mara advertise na inyuĩ mũrendia, Ngai arotũma tũthereme nĩ ũndũ wa wĩra ũyũ. Ngai amũrathime na mwĩke wega.
Asante sana chairman, tupige chairman makofi tafadhali. Thank you so much. We have our media partners, the people that we advertise in their stations. I said myself, I work for Radio Africa Group, Githae FM, breakfast show. And I know I have my colleagues here. If you work in any media, kindly come forward so that we may recognize you and appreciate you. I can see Nimo Media. I can see so many people. If you work for any station, tafadhali kwa heshima tafadhali uitikie kuja ili nikupatie hiyo nafasi, because these are the people. You come to our station, you come to Ukena to advertise, you go to Kameme to advertise, you go to Indoro to advertise, and this is an opportunity that I'm giving you. Tafadhali just come, tafadhali tupigie waelimu makofi tafadhali. Atasema kwenye anakuanga na kwenye anafanya. If you have any other person, a media personality who works for any media, tafadhali just come and say hi.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Iratu. I'm in charge of commercial business in our TV and in general in our platforms, both FM and TV. And I can also handle Citizen TV. These are the leading stations in the country. We pride ourselves to connect to command the audience up to around almost 70% of audiences when I talk about those two TV stations. So when it comes to market visibility of your real estate, I don't think there's any other person who can handle it better than I can. That I am confident. So I'm privileged and honored to be in your presence today. Asante sana Chairman. Kajim is my very good friend, and hoping to interact with a number of you and the stakeholders, and hopefully we have a tremendous and splendid 2024. I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Kwa hivyo kama unataka good rates, kama unataka discounts, you'll see me more. Si amesema kazi yake ni gani? Both for Indoro and Citizen TV. Tupige makofi ingine tena tafadhali. I want to call Pastor Ann Lawrence to just come and say a word on behalf of the men of God who are here just before we continue. Tupige makofi tafadhali.
Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Sijui mic wanaweza kuongea. My name is Pastor Ann Lawrence. I'm born again. I love the Lord. I believe I've interacted with so many of you in my very early years in media, and I want to thank God for this opportunity to stand here because your chairman, Mr. Kinyua, appreciate Bishop Karanja as he comes in, please. Karibu sana Bishop, naweza karibia hiyo meza ya wadosi. Asante. I'm so honored to be here. That's what I was saying, because in my early days in media, we walked a journey with Mr. Kinyua, who happens to be my chairman, and I also individually appreciate Mrs. Bishop also. I'm saying I've interacted with Mr. Kinyua in his early days. I was privileged to be one of the authors who he helped in writing their books, and I know he's a man of a great vision, and even bringing it together is not a small feat. So I know that his vision is big, and even as we continue to join together, we believe that the battles that have been in this industry are going to be solved amicably. So we are here to support you. We are here to pray for you. We are here to engage with you. I've worked with several companies here, and by proxy, I'm also a director in one of the dance companies. And I want to say that land belongs to God. That's why usually there are land and airtime, media and land companies. You have to depend on God 100%. So you have to love God, you have to invest in the kingdom, and you have to have a covenant with the owner of the land. So I believe that going forward in 2024, you are going to do business in a better way, you are going to do business in a more clear way, and also you are going to invest even in touching lives. God bless you so much. Thank you, Kajim, for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. A round of applause to Pastor Ann Lawrence. And I want to recognize Bishop Karanja of Soul Harvesters International. Kugemia makofi tafadhali. Very sana Bishop, Mr. and Mrs. Bishop. Asante sana. Sasa, just before I call Bishop, we have a friend of mine who has come all the way from Tanzania. He's a gospel minister and he's here. And just before I call Bishop, I would like every one of us to be upstanding as I bring on stage. Tafadhali tusimame sisi wote tafadhali. As I bring on stage Mr. Halima all the way from Tanzania. Wapi makofi ya Halima tafadhali? Karibu sana ndugu yangu. Karibu sana.